How to connect your wallet in Hamster Kombat. In this video, I will show you how can you easily connect your wallet and collect money from Hamster Kombat application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Hamster Kombat application. Then after below at the right corner, you will see airdrop option. Simply click on it. After that, you will see connect your Ton wallet. Simply choose that option. And now to connect your wallet, you need to again click on connect on wallet and then click on check. Then after, you will see the option of Ton Keeper. When you click on it, you need to provide your credential details related to the wallet and then you will be able to successfully connect your wallet to Hamster Kombat. So that's it. That is how easily you can connect your wallet in Hamster Kombat application and collect your money. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.